When we start a new product at Copenhagen, we always think about the functionality first and foremost. We usually pitch in with ideas, Rob, Salome and myself. In regards to the kids' desk that we're working on at the moment, we had a desire for a desk which could be adjusted so it could grow with the child, which is something we have focused on with a lot of our kids' furniture because they grow so fast. Usually Salome does a variety of different options so we can check out the different ways of solving the problem and we can get a better idea of the proportions and what kind of functionality we prefer. That usually leads us to the final result where we can test it with a 3D printer first of all. The 3D printing is just a really fast way of trying out if a design works. So very quickly we can assess if the proportions are right before we move on with a one-to-one sample. When we get the sample, we always check that everything's working the way it should be. We always check that the screws are fitting and the holes are fitting in the right places, and it's easy to assemble with normal tools that everyone have at home. It always feels like Christmas Eve when we receive the samples from the producer because we've been waiting for it for such a long time, and everyone's really excited when we unpack it and put it together and we finally see the product in front of us. It's just one of the best moments in the office when we get those samples in. It's really fun. We always work at creating timeless design which can stand the test of time, which is a high quality so you can pass it on for the next generation. That's our legacy as architects as well, I think. It's the best way to design for future generations. We have to stop just making bad quality and throw away all these things. If you invest in something new, it should be able to last for a long, long time. Otherwise, it's not worth producing or buying.